we have the hit and win going on right now for Riviera Maya. So for those of you that are Performance Club qualified in July, we even gave a second chance in August, but for those of you that have been Performance Club qualified July and August, you're in the game. You are in the running for the hit and win. You must continue to PC qualify every month through the end of February, have a total of 15 personal recruits, and 3 of them fast start qualify. And so you have, for those of you that are PC qualified, you have to keep on doing that. And so make sure that you stay engaged, and congratulations for those of you that are on that path. But we also heard, hey, what about new associates? What about people that are just getting started? I'm planning on building big in September. I'd love to give them an opportunity. So we have something for you today as well. Today, we launched the full service leaderboard. And the full service leaderboard is going to go for the next 6 months from September 1 until the end of February. And here's what I love about the full service leaderboard. Every associate is eligible for the full service leaderboard. If you start in September, October, November, December, you're eligible. So if you have someone starting your team in November and they just go crush it the last 3 months, they're eligible. So make sure you download the flyer and look at all the rules. But this full service leaderboard gives credit for recruiting, gives credit for network premium, gives credit for group premium, solutions premium, gives credit for small business, whether it's network or solutions, gives credit for opening new groups, gets credit for fast start qualifying associates. That's what we call the full service leaderboard. So if someone is a big builder, they can crush it. They can be on this leaderboard. If somebody is out opening new groups, maybe they're a Ruby associate, Business Solutions has their own leaderboard for their top producers. But for those of you that,